So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download VLC Media Player. Or you could just go to any web browser and then type in VLC Media Player. Go to the videoland.org website. Now once we're here, you want to click on download VLC. It will then start downloading automatically. If it doesn't, you want to click here, which will then download it for you. But now once you have the download, you want to click on it, and then click on yes. And now this will come up. You want to select your language, and then click on OK. And then click on next. And then click on next again. And then click on next again. Choose your destination folder. I'm just going to keep on the default. And then click on install. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you want to tick Run VLC Media Player, and then click on Finish. You can uncheck both of these if you want to, or you can just keep it checked, and then continue. And then once you're on this, you just want to insert your DVD or your CD, and then you want to go to Media, and then click on Open Disk. Select DVD, Blu-ray, Audio CD, or SVCD. Choose your disk device drive, and then click on Play. It will then start playing for you.